Hello folks, today I want to talk about what great drainage systems, and I've talked about this in the past here, but I just thoroughly love this here. Now you see our rock is up against the house up here, foundation, and you see we got this void right here, and but actually this is all going to be filled full of dirt right in through here, so it'll be leveled out. You just kind of see my black line of my tar, which is great. But when we got this rock, so when this water comes down, it's not held into any kind of plastic soil or clay or anything, and it'll help drainage. Now, what I want to share with you is this. It's absolutely working right now because we've been having a tremendous amount of rains and across the whole country right now, a lot of flooding going on. But look here how well this is. And my inside of this basement is absolutely dry as a bone because that water is leaching through just like it's supposed to. And then it comes into the drain system here. This is my external, which is also tied to go to the drain out, and this is the internal. Now you see right here I got rock on top of this all the way around, all that rock, and that's what's on top of it. And so as that so as we don't have, it helps it drain. Just really great. This river rock just works great. And then you can see how it's coming down right here. Now look here, you can see this is my underground from inside the basement. But how do I know how well it's working? Well, you come over here, and I don't know if you can see this, folks, but you can see the water, and it's just draining already. And look how wet it is. You can see the wet spot right there. This is fabulous. Great work. Great idea. I just love it. I tell you what, I think this is how it should be done everywhere. We don't do this all over the country, but in this part of the country, that's how they do it. And I'm telling you what, folks, for a couple extra $1,000, you're a fool if you don't do it. That's just how great it works. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos, folks. Hit like and subscribe. Share with your friends. We appreciate you greatly by you helping us, because you helping us we help others. And we help people all the time with these videos and the construction consumer advocacy for absolutely free, just to help you. Now, of course, if you need any expert witnessing or construction litigation, we can also help you with that too. But anyway, hey, thanks. Have a great day. Appreciate you.